Okay, so sorry for the inconvenience happened. So let us start the today's experiment. So these are the content, aim, system component, theory, operating procedure, observation and calculation, and the last one is conclusion. Okay, so this is the aim of the previous experiment, and this is also the same experiment, but one more thing that you have to identify. So that is the reason I have not written the name over here. The to determine COP and ADP. And what do you mean by ADP? That I will explain to you. ADP of an air conditioning system rig or test rig, right? So we have to find out the COP as well as uh, ADP, that is nothing but apparatus dew point temperature. Okay, so these two experiments are same. This we have done in previous session. This we have done into the last lab session. But in this session, we have to determine this COP of air conditioning test rig which we are using, and apparatus dew point temperature of this particular air conditioning system. Now, what do you mean by apparatus dew point temperature? Now, it indicates which temperature. This name, just let me write down once again. Apparatus dew point temperature. Okay, so we have seen how to plot points on psychrometric chart. Now you have to tell me this temperature, the location of this temperature in psychrometric chart. You have to tell me where is the location of this temperature in psychrometric chart. As name suggests, if you just remove this term, apparatus dew point temperature, if you remove this term, apparatus, so which temperature is it? Dew point temperature, right? Am I audible to all of you? Jay, Dharmesh?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So if you remove this apparatus term, apparatus word, you are having this dew point temperature, right? So, and you know where is the location of dew point temperature? It is on saturation curve. So the curve છે, this curve is known as saturation curve. So the location of ADP or dew point temperature is on saturation curve. Suppose આ point નો મારે dew point find કરવો છે, so just go left hand side, you will get this dew point temperature. Okay, so the location of dew point temperature is on saturation curve. So obviously our ADP, apparatus dew point temperature, also lies on this saturation curve. So that we have to identify. Okay, by performing one of the processes of psychrometry. There are various processes that we have seen, but in this process, in this experiment, we have to follow the one procedure or one process that is called cooling and dehumidification. It means that is always happening in your air conditioning system, whether it is window AC, whether it is split AC, whether it is central AC. Okay, so whenever you are just switch on your AC, at that time one process is happening, and that is nothing but cooling and dehumidification. Okay, so we want to find out the value or the temperature as ADP. So there are three names. There are three names of this ADP. First one is ADP itself, apparatus dew point temperature. Okay. The second one is cooling coil temperature. The second name is cooling coil temperature, and the third name is evaporative coil temperature. So there are three names of this temperature: apparatus dew point, cooling coil temperature, and evaporative coil temperature. So these are three names. So just keep in mind. Okay. And COP, do you know about COP? Coefficient of performance, that we have to identify from our pH chart, pressure enthalpy diagram. Okay. So now let us start to understand what is exactly ADP. why we are calculating ADP. Okay, so let us start. Let me clear all this thing. Okay, these are the system components, the same as the previous experiment. Hermetically sealed compressor, air-cooled compressor, fan motor, expansion device, hand shut-off valve, filter dryer, ammeter, voltmeter. But 8.1 is not there. This we are not calculating in this experiment because we are not dealing with heating. So boiler for the steam production would be eliminated. Now the next components are pressure gauge. We are having pressure gauge for the COP, coefficient of performance, digital temperature indicator, thermocouple, DP switch, refrigerant, which we are using. The theory I have already explained, so no need to explain from this. Okay, but I would like to explain about this sensible cooling, sensible heating that we have already discussed. But this process, cooling and dehumidification, that is important. So cooling and dehumidification, I have also plot psychrometric chart over here. So just I am just plotting two different points. Suppose point 1 is here and point 2 is here. Okay, so you have to tell me now which properties are decreased and which property are increased from 1 to 2 point. During cooling and dehumidification process, which properties are decreased or which properties are increased. બધી જ પ્રોપર્ટી તમને મળી જશે. જો આ એન્થાલ્પી છે, if you go over here, this is H1 enthalpy, and if you go above here, H2, here you can find out WBT, wet bulb temperature at second point, and this is wet bulb temperature, right? Here you can find out specific humidity W1. Here you can find out specific humidity W2. If you go further above horizontally over here, you can find out vapor pressure 1, vapor pressure 2. So this is the theory. Okay, so now you tell me from 1 to 2 which property is increased, which property is decreased, and that's it. That is your theory, and it will be asked in your 7 marks. Anyone? Okay, so let me write down over here. What about specific humidity? What about specific humidity? Decrease or increase? Specific humidity એટલે અહીંયા આ બાજુ W1 and W2 increase થાય છે કે decrease થાય છે at the end of this process? જય ધર્મેશ, હર્ષ, વિરલ.
ઇન્ક્રીઝ જ થાય ને સર.
સ્પેસિફિક હ્યુમિડિટી ક્યાંથી ઇન્ક્રીઝ થાય બેટા? અહીંયા જો ને આ
1
પહેલો
થી 2 માટે ડિક્રીઝ થાય સર. 1 થી 2 માટે ડિક્રીઝ થાય.
હા 1 થી 2 માટે જ આપણે કહેવાનું છે.
એ ડિક્રીઝ થાય ને સાહેબ?
ડિક્રીઝ થાય.
Right, so this would be decrease. Now what about specific enthalpy, or we can say that H શું થાય છે? આ H1 છે, આ H2 છે. આમ જાવ તો ઘટે
ઘટે
decrease. Good. What about dew point temperature? આનું dew point temperature અહીંયા છે,
એ ઘટે.
Good.
એ ઘટે જ ને.
dew point temperature ઘટે. vapor pressure
પ્રેશર એ ઘટે સાહેબ.
vapor pressure ઘટે. Good. બીજું dry bulb temperature એ ઘટે છે, અહીંયા 1 છે.
હા એ હા ઘટે ઘટે.
તો DBT બી ઘટે છે. ખાલી શું વધે છે?
બધું ઘટી જ.
બધી જ પ્રોપર્ટી આવી ગઈ. હવે બધી જ પ્રોપર્ટી ઘટે છે, ખાલી એક પ્રોપર્ટી વધે છે. કઈ? એ મેં બતાવી નથી. રિલેટિવ હ્યુમિડિટી જુઓ, પહેલો પોઈન્ટ આ કઈ ઉપર છે 40 ડિગ્રી પર, 40% ઉપર, અને બીજો પોઈન્ટ ક્યાં છે 60% ઉપર.
હા ઈ એક વધે
ખાલી રિલેટિવ હ્યુમિડિટી વધે, બાકી
બીજું બધું ઘટે.
બાકી બધું ઘટે. એટલે આ તમારી થિયરી. સો ઇફ this question would be asked in your examination, explain cooling and dehumidification process, you have to just draw manually psychrometric chart, mention 1 and 2 point, and write down this much amount of the properties are decreased. The specific humidity, dew point temperature, only relative humidity is increased. કેમ વધે છે? Because your point is going towards saturation curve. હવે આ point જો અહીંયા છે, બીજો point ક્યાં છે? It is going towards saturation curve. જેમ જેમ cooling કરો તેમ તેમ air શેમાં convert થશે? water માં. જે water vapor particle છે, water particle માં convert થવાનો try થશે. એટલે humidity વધતી જશે. relative humidity, not specific, not absolute. relative humidity વધતી જશે. and જેમ જેમ point તમારો saturation curve ની નજીક હોય, at that time you will find more water vapor particles. એટલે on saturation curve you are having 100% of water. On saturation curve you are having 100% of water vapor particle, right? So that's the reason RH is increased. Correct? Right? Okay, so now how to find out ADP? See, I am just giving you directly. હું તમને આડું અવળું નહીં કહું, ઊંધું રસ્તે નહીં ચડાવું. See, this is 1 and 2 point. This is આ તમારી joining point. બંનેને join કરો તો you will get one line. And if you extend this line, આ જે line નો જે slope છે, if you extend this line up to this saturation curve, that is your ADP. બસ આ એક્સપેરિમેન્ટમાં આટલું જ કરવાનું છે. Okay, you have to plot one point, second point on psychrometric chart, and if you extend this up to this saturation curve, at the slope જાય છે એ રીતે, you will get ADP, and that is called cooling coil temperature or apparatus dew point temperature. Got it? કે નહીં?
Yes,
ઓકે
sir.
ડન સર.
બોલો. ઓકે, હવે એક હું બોક્સ દોરું છું અહીંયા. This is one box in which the cooling coil is there. This is one box, and અહીંયા મેં cooling coil લગાડી છે. This is આ તમારી cooling coil છે. Okay, refrigerant in, refrigerant out. Now air is passing, જે atmospheric air છે, that is passing from here and it is leaving from this side. Okay, so here one point, this is second point. Okay, inlet and exit, and this is the third point where you are getting the different temperature, right? So here the atmospheric condition, તમારું જે dry bulb temperature છે એ TD1. અહીંયા જે after passing over this cooling coil you are having another temperature, that is TD2, and you are also getting this temperature, that is called TD3. એ આખું different છે, એ આપણું refrigerant નું છે. Now you have to tell me which temperature is highest. આ cooling coil છે, this is CC.
TD1.
TD1 is highest. What about TD2?
TD2 is એનાથી થોડુંક ઓછું.
Okay, and which one is lower? Lowest temperature.
સર ઉષ્મી સાઈન કરી ને તમે, સાઈન ઉષ્મી કરી.
Okay, ha.
TD3 સૌથી નાનકડું હોય ને.
Okay, good.
TD3 સૌથી.
TD1 is highest, TD2 is moderate, and TD3 is lowest,
lowest.
right? and આ જે TD3 છે that is your cooling coil temperature. આપણે કોઈ બી હવાને ઠંડી કરવી હોય it means એના કરતા ઓછું ટેમ્પરેચર જોઈએ તો જ હવા ઠંડી થઈ શકે. or if you want to cool down the water, if you add the ice is at 0 degree centigrade, or you can keep this water bottle into your fridge. Okay, so જ્યારે જ્યારે બી આપણે ઠંડુ કંઈ બી કરવું છે, we have to we are having the temperature which is lower than its dew point temperature. તો હવે એ વસ્તુ તમને અહીંયા સમજાવું. I think you are getting this, right? Lowest temperature is TD3. So now move back on that our experiment side. Just a second. This is point number 1 and this is point number 2. Okay, આપણે AC ચાલુ કરીએ. ચલો આપણે સીધું લાઈવ એક્ઝામ્પલ જ લઈએ. સીધું લાઈવ એક્ઝામ્પલ લઈએ. And now outside degree temperature is right now 40 degree. Okay, and I have started AC, and I have kept temperature of AC as 23. Okay, now પહેલો point છે, and after AC I am getting 23 degree centigrade. Okay, and this is line of cooling and dehumidification, right? Now just find out dew point temperature of point number 1. It is something over here, it is something over here, and if I am extending this line, then I can get ADP. આ તમારો ADP. હવે AC ક્યારે ચાલુ થાય એ તમને સમજાવું. Whenever your ADP is lesser than dew point temperature of inlet air, at that time your AC is working, otherwise AC will be not started. Again I am repeating, whenever your apparatus dew point temperature or cooling coil temperature, or we can say that evaporative coil temperature, is lesser than the dew point temperature of inlet air, so that is that at that point you can start your AC, otherwise cooling and dehumidification nahi થાય. If ADP is over here, then cooling dehumidification nahi થાય. If it is here, it won't start it. If it is here, then it might be started. Okay, so whenever your ADP is lesser than dew point temperature of inlet air, at that point you can start your AC. So and so forth, your cooling and dehumidification process is done, right? Now we will move on the video part so that you can see the different readings. This is our apparatus, you can see. I have not started the compressor. The compressor is switch off છે. Okay, this is compressor switch, it is off. This is boiling. આપણે આનું કઈ કામ નથી. આ heating and humidification માં વપરાશે. આપણે અત્યારે આનું કઈ કામ નથી. These are two pressure gauges. By using these two pressure gauge reading, you can find out COP. This is boiler. આપણે અત્યારે આમાં કઈ આનું કામ નથી boiler નું, because this experiment is also work on the same experiment or apparatus. This is also pressure gauge, but it is for steam. Okay, now I am just starting this. I am starting the compressor. Okay, અત્યારે A meter નું reading નથી. It means you are not getting cold air. After starting the A meter reading, after starting your compressor, this reading will be shown. shown to you. Right now you are not finding out any pressure difference in these two. જ્યારે compressor ચાલુ થશે ત્યારે જ આ બધું ફરશે. And you have also experience in your freeze as well as AC. જ્યારે compressor start થાય then and then you are getting electricity bill. Otherwise એમનો પંખો ચાલુ હોય તો એટલું બિલ નહીં આવે. Now see, this video represent your compressor is on and you are getting VNI. This is voltage, 230 voltage, and you are getting the value for the current, that is 4.42. Okay, you can take temperature reading from this. If you are pressing over here, this is first reading of the first temperature, second reading, third reading, fourth reading, fifth reading, sixth reading, you can say. Okay, now I am just starting this video, just observe it. Now you can see the change in pressure. Sorry. Okay, now just a second. Yeah, anyone tell me the reading of pressure? See, I'm just directly giving to you the pressure reading. See, our pointer is here and there are two temperature scale. First one is mm of Hg and outside is kg per centimeter square. Okay, so कोई भी एक बाजू जोवानी का तो inside जोवानी का तो outside जोवानी, right? So I am just taking inside because it is written over here psi. This is mm of Hg, ये तो 760 है. Okay, but I am taking psi and you can see that one unit that is equal to 2.5 psi. એટલે આજે એક તાપમાન વચ્ચેનું અંતર છે, that is 2.5. So right now you can see this is 0, this is 0, 25, 50, 75, 100, 125 and 150. So where is our pointer? Where is our pointer? You have to tell me. Where is our pointer? Is on 25. So your P1 is 25. Right? And what about the P2? 25 psi. What about P2? How many PSIs are there? And you can see 1 PSI અહીંયા જે એક તાપો છે આ બંને વચ્ચેનું અંતર, that is 5 PSI. Here 0, 50, 100, 150. Now tell me, this is pressure P2. કેટલું આવે છે? $165 or 175. કેટલું આવે છે? See 150 તો છે જ, એની ઉપર કેટલા કાપા થાય છે? 1, 2 અને 3. So 155, 160 and 165 psi. તમારું આ પ્રેશરનું રીડિંગ છે, રાઈટ? I hope that you are understanding whatever I am just explaining to you.
આવું હમણાં.
Dharmesh, recording is on.
Sorry, sir.
And now the last part of this experiment, you have to just write it down, temperatures. You can just find out the temperature from here. Just a second. Okay, so you can note down the reading of temperature from here. This is the first temperature, 15.4. $52.5. This is fourth one temperature. And now the fifth one. I am interested on the fifth point. What is fifth temperature? What is fifth temperature? That is 23.5. It means outside air temperature. Outside air temperature is 23.5. See. And sixth temperature is the temperature of air passing over the cooling coil. So 23.5 outside temperature है, and it is passing from the cooling coil. And एनु जे temperature है, that will be reduced obviously. Okay, outside air आपड़ी 40 degree है, but after passing through the AC, you are getting the minimum temperature. Okay, decrease in temperature. So that is 19.7. Okay, and still it is reducing. Okay, so after 10 minutes, this is your observation table. See, this is your observation table. खाली आटલું જ છે table. આમાં લખવાનું. Okay, after 10 minutes, you can find out this point. Initial condition of air, that is dry bulb temperature 1 and wet bulb temperature 1, that is 26 and 22. You can find out wet bulb temperature by using hygrometer. You can find out wet bulb temperature by using hygrometer. So this is your point number 1. Okay, 26 degree dry bulb temperature and wet bulb temperature 22 degree. Now final condition of air is 20 degree dry bulb temperature and 19 degree wet bulb temperature. So this is point number 2. So you have to plot these 2 points on psychrometric chart and you have to find out the ADP. That's it. This is your experiment. You have to find out ADP over here. So are you getting this? Is there any doubt? You are having 2 different points. This first point, this is second point. Plot on psychrometric chart. Okay, suppose 1 point is here, 2 point is here. Join these 2 points. You will have one line, 1 point and 2 point, and just extend this line up to saturation curve. You will get ADP. Okay. Now I am just opening the psychrometric chart, and once you plot it, your lab session is over. Okay. So just write it down. For point number 1, 26, 22, and point number 2, 20 and 29. So opening the psychrometric chart, you just plot it and tell me the ADP. Okay, so just tell me 26, and now if you plot it, your lab session is over. First point is on 26-degree dry bulb and 22-degree wet bulb. So this is your point number 1. 20J, this is 21, and this is 22. So this is your point number 1. Point number 1. Second point is 20-degree dry bulb and 19-degree wet bulb. So this is 20-degree dry bulb and 19-degree wet bulb. So it is over here. This is your second point. Okay. Now join these 2 points. This is line of cooling plus dehumidification. 1 to 2. And if you are extending this line, just a second. This is 1 to 2, and if you are extending this line, you will get ADP. So what is the ADP? Now tell me the answer. What is it?
13.5.
Okay,
13.5.
degree centigrade is your ADP. So this is end of your experiment. Okay, 13 degree is your ADP. So any doubt in this? And I will share this PPT to you for your reference, so you can easily refer it. Okay, so I request you that please write down your enrollment number. Dharmesh, your enrollment number is 15. EA1B batch.
Yes, sir.
18 series 15. 16 series 13.
Yes, sir.
18 series 05 Harsh.
Yes, sir.
And 18 series 16 Viral Goyal. Okay, so that's it from my side for today's session. And you can make a conclusion.
You, sir.
Sorry?
Can-
So you can make a conclusion over here. So after cooling and dehumidification process from the psychrometric chart, I am able to find out apparatus dew point temperature as 13 degrees centigrade. Okay. So this experiment is over. So thank you so much for attending this session. Wear mask when you go out. Have a great day. Thank you.